Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on VIVO X90 Pro. To do this, you'll need to open the Google Play Store. Inside, find the Firefox. Install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open a browser. Right here we can set up to notifications if you like. Then customize the browser with different themes. Pick your toolbar placement. Sign in to turn on synchronization. Here switch between privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.